So like I wish I can tell you it's like one thing that makes ads work, but it's not. It's like a combination of multiple things. It's like from the setup all the way to how big the ads is, like the size. Is it large? Is it small? Is it, like everything plays a role, and I have like we have we've documented what kind of colors people actually click on. Like, is it the orange, the green, the blues? Um, what kind of offers people are usually attracted to more? Is it the percentage, 20% off, or is it the $20 off? So all these things play out in creating the ad. It's not one thing. And then once you get all of them correct, then you have to test. You can't just, even though we know the formula, even though I have clients making 500,000 a month with this kind of ad stuff, you still have to do your testing for your business based on the formula. Like you have to go through the test and tribulation, and then you have to like build database for that offer that you're offering. Like who's interested in that stuff? Who's clicking on that stuff? Who's signing up? And the more data you have around that subject line, then I've seen people take their ad account and turn it into a business that's bigger than what they were doing. Like I had a 20-year-old detailer who just wanted a few jobs to detail on the weekend. And he realized that he can run ads in multiple states and offer jobs to other detailers, and he can make the difference. Now he's making 20,000 a month at 22, and he doesn't do any details. It's other people doing the service for him. It's like a hack to never work again. And that's why like I'm wearing a hat called the Freedom Club. Ever since I figured out advertisements, people just come to me. In any business I run, I just run ads and people come to me. And it's never been, oh, run ads and it's day one and your clients are coming and it's happy and roses. Every company I start and build up, it takes 3 to 6 months. It's a process of testing, dialing it up, testing, looking at the reports, CTR, CPC, how much is the CPM. If you don't know all of these things, you're cooked. You're just wasting your money. And I can't tell you how many times I onboard a client and I see they've wasted thousands. And I'm like, dude, you've signed up on my ads like years ago. You could have used us instead of wasting all this money. But unfortunately, the human brain always is self-serving bias. So it thinks like, oh, I got it. I got this. Yeah, yeah, I'm a tags guy, but I can also run my ads. But that usually doesn't work.